we're making layered skillet brownie sundae, and they are out of this world good. So brownie mix, eggs, milk, and butter. I'll do the milk, you do the butter. And then I will stir this. Actually, while I stir this, you can start putting the cookies in the skillet. So what you want to do is just lay the slices of cookie dough and then press it into a single layer, okay?
Gotcha.
And I'll race you and see if you can get that done before I get the brownie mix mixed together. So Stu, like Mauricio, is not big on sweets. Is this an accurate statement?
It's true, but me and Paige have been eating a lot of candy lately, so.
Bodie. And is there an end to that story?
Nope, that's
okay, it's just
so
that.
So now I am kind of into sweets.
Okay. Well, like what kind of sweets do you like? Like layered skillet brownie sundaes, for instance?
That would probably be my first choice. And then from there, cakes and ice cream.
Cupcakes?
Oh yeah, cupcakes.
Well, this is seriously good. This is like an incredible skillet full of brownie goodness. So we used a roll of chocolate chip cookie dough bought in the store. Nothing to be ashamed about. The brownies are mixed together, so I'm gonna put those over to the side for now. Okay, so this is a layered skillet brownie. So we are going to add a layer of chocolate sandwich cookies, we like to call them. You can just eat that one. Okay, so now this is kind of fun. So I'm gonna squirt caramel, like kind of in between the cookies. Do you wanna do that?
Mm-hmm.
Just kind of fill in the blanks.
Ooh. All right, that should be enough.
Okay, good. And then just gonna plop the whole brownie mix right on top. Oh my gosh.
This is what I'm looking for.
And then I'll let you spread that, Stu. So you wanna get it out to the edges.
What do you think?
That looks good. Now, the only thing about baking this, Stu, is you have to have patience.
Oh no.
It takes 45 minutes
Oh no.
at 350.
You're gonna make me wait?
But the good news is, I already
No
baked one
way.
for you. So I not only did that,
Yeah, look at this.
Oh my gosh.
but I also scooped out some ice cream because I
You
know
are too good.
patience is not your strong suit. No offense. And some sprinkles. I like to decorate it with chocolate sauce.
Cherries?
Hold on.
Okay.
Can't have cherries without the
Whipped
whipped cream. Aw, Stu. Great job. High five.
What
You
a
did
blast.
it. Looks amazing.